This program calculate gross salary of an employee. So formula is gross salary is equal to basic plus HRA plus DA plus TA. So HRA is house rent allowance, DA is dearness allowance, TA is the traveling allowance. Here we assume that the HRA is equal to 30% of the basic, DA is equal to 80% of the basic, and TA is equal to 10% of the basic. So to calculate the gross salary, we need the basic of the employee, that is the basic salary of the employee. So first we need to include the header file. To use the built-in function, here we need simply stdio.h. This is the main function from where the program start execution. First we need to declare the variable. So here we need variables basic, HRA, DA, TA, and gross salary. So all these 5 variables are declared as a floating point number, because all these are basically the price or cost. So cost are generally always floating point number. So that's why all these variables are taken as a floating point number. So to compute the gross salary, we need the basic salary. We can initialize the basic directly by assigning the value, or we can take the user input. So this line will print the user to enter the basic, and next line will scan the value of the basic and store in this variable basic. So once the variable basic is initialized, then to calculate the gross salary, HRA is equal to basic multiplied by 30 divided by 100. So that is basically 30% of the basic is the HRA. Similarly, DA is equal to 80% of the basic, and TA is equal to 10% of the basic. And gross salary is equal to basic plus HRA plus DA plus TA. So first we need to calculate these three values, that is HRA, DA, TA, that are the correspondingly the 30%, 80%, and 10% of the basic. And after calculating this HRA, DA, TA, the gross salary is calculated simply by adding the basic, the HRA, DA, and TA. Now to print the result, as the gross salary is floating point variable, we use this format, that is percent 0.2 a to print up to the 2 decimal place, and this is the end of the program, returning 0 to the operating system, indicate that the program executed successfully. So here all the variables are floating point number, so that's why there are before this calculation, no need of conversion to the floating point number to the basic values. So this will working fine. Let us run this program. GCC say 10,000 is the basic salary. So 10,000, then 30%, that is the 3,000, 80%, 8,000, and 10%, that is the 1,000. So total is the 12,000 will added. So that's why the total value is the 22,000 is the gross salary of the person. Similarly, if we run say 20,000, then it will be 44,000. just double of the previous one. So this is the program for calculating the gross salary of an employee.